Yo, what's up, Ty?
So B,
What are we talking about today?
so today we're gonna talk about a little more detail about my new build.
All right, man. So in the last episode, you let the cat out of the bag that you're building a 190E
Yeah.
with a F20C S2000 engine. Can you tell us a little bit more about this build and like what you're gonna do to it?
So there's a few things, suspension. Of course, KW is gonna make some custom suspension for us, and the stock deck on board as well. They're gonna do custom brake kit, and also Sparkle does all the interior seats, steering wheel, harnesses, and same as 86, Eimer Engineering is gonna do the whole build.
Okay.
So he has to do custom, basically engine swap, so engine mounting, transmission mount, and also the all roll cage.
Yeah,
and stuff
full
like that.
cage and stuff. Yeah.
This 190 has 2.3 and also Evo, which is Evolution 1, Evo 2. So those are the difference of the model. So we're gonna have Evo 1 replica. Both me and Chris think Evo 1 kit looks cooler for us at least. So it's not gonna be, it's kind of opposite of A86R. But to us, it fits better on this car. So the car will be champ white. It's a Honda engine Mercedes, so it's gonna be champ white. I think it makes sense.
And it looked really good with the 86R.
Yeah, Honda engine, champ white. That's kind of like a two key at this point, I guess. Also, Jon Sibal. You know Jon Sibal, right?
Yeah.
Who's a really famous designer.
Amazing artist. I know him. Yeah, he's a good guy.
Yeah, and he's done a lot of SEMA build in the past. So he's on board. He's actually doing the livery. Add some little stuff, canard or splitter. We're still like talking about it, and he's still doing the design. He actually designed the wheels, custom wheels for this build.
Wow.
And Titan 7 wheels gonna build the new wheel.
Custom spec wheel specifically for
Yep.
your build.
Yep.
How rad is that?
It's dope. Designed by Jon Sibal and executed by Titan 7. We're gonna have a spoon exhaust for S2000.
Oh, that's kind of cool because you want to keep that sound, right?
Yeah.
So what are you most looking forward to in regards to this build?
So this build, I partnering up with Chris, my good friend Chris.
Chris Marion, KW.
Yeah.
Yep,
So
good guy.
he's basically working with me, right?
He's built some pretty sick cars too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and he knows a lot about cars. He can actually wrench himself as well. So I'm really looking forward to work with him on this one. And also, the goal is to get the car done and ready for the track. So, that's like the reward, right? So I'm looking forward to drive that car on the track. If you guys like to follow this build, please check back and also subscribe and like this video. And we'll see you on the next video.
Johnny.